Why hello everyone, it is Coco here.
And Buttercup.
And we are standing in Jamaa Township because the very special, very awesome P.J Sparkles tagged us to do
the Animal Jam tag!
So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first question...
Can I do the first question, please, Big Butter? I love Animal Jam so much. Animal Jam is my life!
Okay, fine.
Yay! Okay, so the first question is, what is your dream item?
Well, what is your dream item?
My dream item is the purple headdress, the one that I'm wearing right now on my head, but I want it in Animal Jam because I only have it in real life. And it's a rare, so yeah. I want to be rare!
Okay. I don't really know what my dream item is because I only started playing Animal Jam a little while ago because she forced me to.
But you like it now, though.
Yeah, I do. But I still don't really know that much about the game. So, what do you think my dream item would be, Buttercup?
Probably like a spike or something. Like a long, like a black long or something, because you're wearing a spike right now.
Oh, okay. So, I guess a spike, then.
A black, long spike. Yeah. Because I want him to be rare, too. Because he wants to be rare with me, too.
Okay, so the next question is Sir Gilbert or Greeley? I'm not really that alpha knowledgeable, but...
Sir Gilbert is a tiger and Greeley is a wolf. I don't know, it's hard because they're both really cool. And I should probably just say Sir Gilbert because I'm a cat too, and yeah.
You don't have to like him just because you're a cat, Buttercup. You can pick whoever you want.
Okay. It's too hard. I like them both.
Okay. Then I like them both too, I guess.
Okay, next question is, how long have you been playing Animal Jam? I've been playing Animal Jam since December 28th of 2016. So, not that long, but still. I love it, and I wish I would have found out about it sooner.
Next question is, what is your least favorite item?
I don't know. Probably that rug that they give you. It's like, it's circle, and it has really interesting pattern on it, and it's really big, and like they give it to you for free, and I don't know, I don't really like it very much. What about you?
I like all the items.
Okay, next question is, what is your favorite party? Ooh, I know. My favorite party is
I thought you said you knew.
Yeah, I do. I'm just trying to remember them all because I don't want to actually say like the horse party and then accidentally like forget about some other party. So I'm trying to think. Hold on, just give me a second. I like Jam Session because there's like really cool music and stuff like that. But then I also like the Wolves Only Party because they have like really cool wolves and stuff. I don't know. The cruise ship party is really cool too because it's sunny and happy and like everything.
I don't really know what you just said, but that's cool. And if you get to go to a party, like, who cares what kind of party it is? It's a party. Count me in. I need to play Animal Jam more.
Yes, we need to do that right after this video. Next question.
When you first got a membership, what is the first thing you did?
I just got a membership. I just got a membership. So yeah, it was really cool, and I'm really excited. And I was scared that the extravaganza would be gone before I actually got my membership. But like, it's still here, and I got platypus, a pink platypus. So yeah, I really like it.
That's great. I'm glad you like your membership. But the question actually was, what is the first thing you did after you got a membership account?
I bought a horse.
Okay, cool. Next question is, what is the best store-bought item?
Oh yeah, I agree with P.J Sparkles. The best store-bought item is definitely the ribbon scarf because it's so pretty and it blows in the wind, and yeah, I really like that scarf a lot.
Next question!
What is your favorite seasonal event? My favorite seasonal event, well, I haven't really actually been playing Animal Jam that long, so I haven't gone through all of the seasons yet, but so far I really like what P.J Sparkles said, Jamaa because it's Christmas, and who doesn't like Christmas? Because there's snow and cool, really cool Jamaa holiday items, and it's Christmas. It's celebrating Jesus' birth, so you know, how could you not like Jamaa days?
Wow, that totally sold me. Jamaa days for me too.
The next question is, what animal should AJTag release next? Oh my goodness, they should release the Japanese flying squirrel.
Oh yeah, those little, oh my goodness, those guys are so cute.
Yes, they're so fat, and they're so cute, and they're so chubby, and their little faces, and they're so fluffy, and oh my goodness, and wouldn't that look so cute, just like going around Jamaa, like maybe it could fly or something, like, I don't really know, but that would be so cool.
The next question is, how did you come up with your main look?
Oh, well, I change my look all the time because I got a membership account now, so I just buy random things like crazy and like dress up my animals because I don't have a favorite animal. They're all so cool.
Okay, the next question is diamonds or gems?
Diamonds because they're diamonds. Do you not understand this concept? Like, they are diamonds. Diamonds.
The next question is, what is the rarest item you own?
Oh yes! Okay, so I just got a pink worn. Yeah, I'm rarer every day.
And the next question is, where is your favorite place to go in Jamaa?
My favorite place in Jamaa would probably be under the waterfall in Coral Canyons, because it's so peaceful and pretty, and I really like it. What about you?
Okay, my favorite place in Jamaa would have to be in Appendale, in the Conservation Museum. The music. Guys, oh my goodness, I love that music! I don't know what it is about it, but it's just so, yeah, I get chills every time I go in there. Okay, and the last question is, who is your best friend on Animal Jam? Cool, well, I guess that's all the questions.
What? No, I don't want it to be over. I could talk about Animal Jam all day.
Thank you so much to AJLPS and P.J Sparkles for tagging us to do this Animal Jam tag. We had a lot of fun, right, Buttercup?
Oh my goodness, yes, I love Animal Jam. Have I said that already? I think maybe I said that, and I can say it again. I love Animal Jam!
Yes, a huge thanks to them, and if you haven't seen their channels, I highly recommend that you check them out because they are really, really awesome, wholesome, uplifting, good, amazing channels with really good content, and yeah, they're some of the best people you'll ever meet, guys, so yeah. If you have time, go check them out. Their links to their channel will be in the description.
Yes! And we would like to tag LPS Fluffy Blankets and
any Animal Jam lovers out there who would like to have a part in this tag. Comment down below if you are interested in doing it, and we will totally watch your guys' videos. And again, thank you so much, P.J Sparkles, for tagging us in this. We really enjoyed making the video.
bye! Okay, next question is, how long have you been playing Animal Jam? I don't remember. We haven't written down with the diamonds that we left at home. So yeah, this lighting is great because we're filming with this at a different person's house, and so like their lighting is amazing, unlike ours in a dark corner, like really all alone with shadows. Okay, yeah, let's get back to the video, Big Butter. But I think my favorite place would be in
I don't remember. Hold on.
I love Animal Jam! I'm trying to do a dramatic clap, but my headdress is keeping me up. Ah!